Hello everyone. Now let us see this 17th question. Question is find the sum of all two-digit number which when divided by 3 give 2 as a remainder. So we have to find sum of all two-digit number which when divided by 3 give 2 as a remainder. So if I divide 10 with 2, this is the smallest two-digit number. If I divide by 3, so it is 3 3 the 9. 1 is remainder. So if I subtract 1, I should get a 2 as a remainder. Here I am getting 1 as a remainder. So I increase this 10 by 1, 11. 11 will give me 2 as a remainder. So my initial number is 11. Then it is 11 plus 3, 14. Plus it will continue like this. And the last number 99, we know that it is divisible by 3. We take let us 98. So 3 3 the 9. This will cancel 8. 3 2 the 6. Here I will get 2 as a remainder. Okay. So here the last number which I get is 98. First number is 11, difference is 3 and last number is 98. So here you have A is equals to 11, D is equals to 3, AN as 98. Now I want sum of n numbers. So first I have to see what is n. So for that I will use the formula for an. An is equals to A plus n minus 1D. Now an is 98. So 98 is 11 plus n minus 1, D is 3. So therefore n minus 1 into 3 is equals to 98 minus 11 is equals to 8 minus 1 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 87. So here therefore we have n minus 1 is equals to 87 divided by 3 is equals to 3 2 the 6, 2 27, 3 9 the 27. So here n we will get n is equals to 29 plus 1 equal to 30. So n is 30. Find the sum. Now I have to find sum of n numbers. So Sn is equals to n divided by 2. In bracket we have 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here it is 30 divided by 2. Here it is 2 into 11 plus 29 into 3. So this is, we will get 15 into, now it is 22 plus 9 3 the 27, 2 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, 87. So this is 15 plus, now 7 plus 2 9 and 8 plus 2 10. This is 15 into. So 15 9s are 135. I will write 5, 13 carry, 15 into 0 0. So I will have 3 here, 15 when the 15, 116, 1635. Okay. Or I can use the formula, or you can say that Sn is equals to n divided by 2. In bracket it is a plus l, first number plus last number, is equals to 30 divided by 2. First number is 11 and last number we have 98. So it is 15 into 9, 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 1 10, 109. So 15 into 109, the same thing we are getting here. So it is 1635. Okay. So any formula you use, either n divided by 2 in bracket a plus l, or n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. In November 2014, the number of visitors to a zoo increased daily by 20. If the total of 13,200 people visited the zoo in that month, find the number of visitors on the 1st November 2014. In November 2014, the number of visitors to a zoo increased daily by 20. If total is 113,200, you have to find first number. On first number, how many people visited. So that means A is unknown. A is question mark. In the month of November, we see that there are total 30 days. So N is 30. D, we know that D is 20. Daily 20 numbers are increasing. And S30 also we know. S30 is 13,200. Okay. Now here we have D, we have Sn. So if I apply the formula for Sn, I can get the value of A. Okay. Last number we don't have. So Sn the formula is n divided by 2 in bracket. It is 2A plus n minus 1D. So therefore Sn means S30. Here it is 13,200 is equals to n divided by 2, that is 30 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into A, 2A plus 29 into D. So this is now this 0 and this 0 we will cancel. This 2 we multiply here. It is 132 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 is equals to, here we have 2A plus 2 9s are 18, 2 to the 4 1 5, so it is 580. So with 3 we will cancel. Now 3 4s are 12, 130, 12, 3 4s are 12. So 44 into 2 is equals to 2A plus 580. So therefore 2A, we will say that 2A is equals to 44 to the 88. Something wrong I am doing, I think. Here 10 is there, so it is 440. So here it is 880. 2A is equals to 880 minus 580. So here we get 300. Therefore the value of A is equals to 300 divided by 2 is equals to 150. So A is 150. That means on the first number, the number of visitors are 150. 150 visitors visited the zoo. Okay. This is 18th question. Now 19th. Here the 19th question is, the sum of first 8 term of an AP is 148. And the sum of first 12 term of AP is 342. Find the sum of first 25 terms. S8, sum of 8 term is 148. And the sum of 12 term, that is S12. S12 is 342. Find the sum of first 25 terms. S25, sum of 25 terms we have to find out. Now Sn is n divided by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D. By using that formula, S8 is equals to 148. This will give you 8 divided by 2 into 2A plus 8 minus 1 is 7D. This is 148. 2 4 is 8. So therefore 2A plus 7D is equals to 148 divided by 4 is equals to 4 3 is 12, 2 28, 4 7 is 28, so 37. So the value of 2A plus 7D is 37. This is your first equation. And S12 is 342. So formula for S12 is 12 divided by 2 into 2A plus 11D. It is 342. So therefore this is 2 6 are 12. So 2a plus 11d is equals to 342 divided by 6. Now 6 5 is 30, 4 I cannot divide 4, 42, 6 7 is 6 7 is 42. So 2a plus 11d is equals to 57. This is your second equation. So 2a plus 7d is 37 and 2a plus 11d is equals to 57. I will subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. So this 2a minus 2a will cancel. 11d minus 7d is 4d, and here 57 minus 37 is 20. So this gives you d is equals to 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. So we get the value of d. Now to get a, we use equation 2a plus 7d equal to 37. So now 2a plus 7d equal to 37. So therefore 2a is equals to 37 minus 7 into d, 7 5 is 35. So this is 37 minus 35, it is 2. So the value of a is 1. So value of a is 1 and value of d is 5. So therefore a is equals to 1 and d is equals to 5. Now we have to find the sum of first 25 terms, S25. So S25, sum of 25 terms, S25 divided is equals to 25 divided by 2 into 2 into a1 plus n minus 1, that is 24, into d is 5. So this is 25 divided by 2. Here it is 2 plus 5 4s are 20, 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So it is 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 122. So this will become 25 multiplied by 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. So 25 into 1 is 25, 2, 25 6 are 150, 150 plus 2, 152. So this is sum of 25 terms. S25 is 1525. So this problem, the formula what we are applying is for Sn, and then we get some linear equation, we solve that linear equation, we get the value of a and d, and then we find S25. Simple one. Now here 20th question is the sum of 4 consecutive term of an AP is 40, and the ratio of the product of first and the last term and the product of middle two term is 2:3. Find the number. The sum of 4 consecutive term. So I will consider, let the 4 terms in AP a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. These are the 4 terms. Now the sum of 4 consecutive term is 40. So the sum of all these 4 terms, that is a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d. The sum of these 4 terms is 40. 40. Okay. Now this minus 3d plus 3d will cancel, minus d plus d will cancel. So you will get 4a is equals to 40. This gives the value of a is equals to 10. Value of a is 10. The sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is 40. And the ratio of product of the first and last term. Product of first and last term, that is a minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by the middle two terms are a minus d into a plus d. Okay, this ratio is given 2 ratio 3. The product of last two term and middle two term is 2 ratio 3. Find the number. You have to find the number. So what will be the number? The sum of 4 consecutive term is already given. Now a we have find out. So let us put the value of a here. It is 10 minus 3d into 10 plus 3d divided by 10 minus d into 10 plus d. This is equals to 2 divided by 3. So here we will get 10 minus 3d is 100 minus 9d square divided by, here we will get 100 minus d square, and this is 2 divided by 3. Okay, so we cross multiply, we will get 300 minus 27d square is equals to 200 minus 2d square. Okay, so here we have 100 is equals to 25d square, and this gives you d square is equals to 25 for the. So therefore from here we will get the value of d as plus or minus 2. So we can take d as plus 2 or we can take d as minus 2. Now if we take d as plus 2, then the number will be we get the value of d and we get the value of a. So therefore I will say therefore the numbers are it is a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. So a minus 3d is 10 minus 3 to the 6. This is 10 minus 2. This is 10 plus 2. And this is 10 plus 3 to the 6. So here you will get 4. Here you will get 8. Here you will get 12. And here you will get 18. Okay. So the numbers are 4, 8, 12 and 18. Okay. These are the 4 numbers in AP. Find the numbers. So these are the numbers. 4, 8, 12 and 18. Right. Okay. So this is question number 20. So this question number 21 is solve for x minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 1 plus till x we have 470. Now if we see here difference is of plus 3. Okay, so this is an AP. Okay, you can easily see that this is AP with your first term that is a is equals to minus 5, 3, an is equals to x and Sn is equals to 470. So first we will use the formula for this Sn and we will find n, and then we will use the formula for n and then find the value of n. So Sn, the formula for Sn is n divided by 2. In bracket it is 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is 470 is equals to n divided by 2. It is 2 into minus 5 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 3. So therefore it is 470 multiplied by 2 is equals to n multiplied by this is minus 10 plus 3n minus 3. So this is 3n square minus 13n, and here it is 0, 2 7 the 14, 1 2 4 the 8, 1 9, 940. So therefore 3n square Therefore 3n square minus 13n minus 940 is equals to 0. So 3 into 940, when we divide, we get 940 here. Again with 2 we can divide. 2 4 the 8, 1 2 7 the 14. Then with 2 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the, with 5 5 4 the 20, 3 35, 5 7 the 35. Then 47, this is 47. 47, I think this is prime number, it cannot be divided. Now here it is 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 23 the 60. So 60 and 47 difference is 13. So therefore you can have here 3n square minus 60n plus 47n minus 940 is equals to 0. From here you take n common, so it is 3n you can take common, so it is n minus 20 plus you can take 47 common here, it is n minus 20 is equals to 0. So n minus 20 is in one bracket and 3n plus 47 is in other bracket. So you will get the value of n as 20 or n is minus 47 divided by 3. Minus 47 divided by 3 is not possible, right? N cannot be minus 47 divided by 3. So therefore the value of n is 20. Now the value of n is 20, you got value of n as 20. Once you get the value of n 20, now you can apply the formula for n. Therefore an you have is equals to a20 is equals to a plus 19d. Now the value of a, we have value of a as minus 5. So minus 5 plus 19 into 3, that is minus 5 plus 57. So this is 52. So 8n a20 is equals to 52. So therefore the value of x is equals to 52. So value of x we get 52, right? The value of x is 52. Okay, so minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 1 plus like this up to x. If it is 470, then the value of x is 52. Okay, this is question number 21. Now here the next question, find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Sum of first 51 terms. We have to find out whose second term, that is a2 is given. a2 is 14 and a3 is equals to 18. So we apply the formula for a2, that is a plus d, it is 14, and a3, that is a plus 2d, a plus 2d is 18. So here if you subtract, you will get the value of d. Value of d is 4. If I put d is equals to 4 in equation 1, I will get a plus 4 equal to 14. This will give me the value of a is equals to 10. So I have value of a and I have value of d. Now I have to find sum of 51 terms. S51 we have to find out. So S51 will be what? 51 divided by 2. 2a, that is 2 into 10, plus 51 minus 1, that is 50, into value of d is 4. So S51 you will get 51 divided by 2 multiplied by, it is 20, plus 5 4 the 20, this is 200. So it is 51 divided by 2 multiplied by 220. So 51 into 2 on the 2, 2 on the 2, it is 110. Now 0 I will write here. 11 1s are 11. 1 carry. 11 5s are 55 plus 1 56. So 5610. It is the value of sum of 51 terms. So S51 is equals to 5610. Now let us see this last question for today. The last term of an AP is 120. So AN is given 120. Its first term and the common difference are 20 and 5. First term, that is A is given 20 and the common difference D is given 5. Find the sum of AP. SN is question mark. Okay. A is given, D is given, A is given, SN we have to find out. So first from AN I will get the value of N. So the AN formula for AN is A plus N minus 1D. Therefore it is 120 is equals to 20 plus N minus 1 into D. The value of D is 5. So therefore it is N minus 1 into 5 is equals to 100. Therefore the value of N minus 1 is equals to 100 divided by 5. It is 20. Therefore the value of N is equals to 21. So N we get 21. I have to find sum. So therefore S21 SN. SN is equals to S21 is equals to N divided by 2. 21 divided by 2 into 2 into A. The value of A is what, 20, plus N minus 1, that is 20, into the value of D we have 5. So it is 21 divided by 2 multiplied by, this is 40 plus this is 100. So this is 21 divided by 2 multiplied by, this is 140. So this is 21 multiplied by 2, 7 are 40. So here now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 1470. It is the value of sum of n terms. The last term is given, the first term is given, common difference is given, and I have to find the sum of AP. So this is the required sum of AP, 1470. Okay. So I think by the time you will understand that this chapter is simple. It is based on two formula. One is AN, which is A plus N minus 1D, and other is SN, which is based on the formula, that is N divided by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D. Okay, and you can solve the problem. So fine, let us see in the next question few more questions based on these two formulas. Thank you.